The stunning new Acura RDX hides a huge betrayal. Acura has killed one of its most beloved features, replacing it with shocking new tech. Why did they do it? And is this the end of the RDX as we know it? The answer will definitely divide people. Hey there everyone, welcome back to Digital Auto Addict 99. Today we have something really exciting to share, a total transformation. This vehicle is dropping its old look and re-emerging as a sleek, high-tech powerhouse, ready to take on the big players from Germany. Let's dive into the all-new 2026 Acura RDX. So, just how radical is this new look? Let's dive into the redesign. Based on numerous spy shots and Acura's own design concepts, the 2026 RDX is undergoing a dramatic transformation. It's ditching its gasoline-powered look for a sleek, all-electric aesthetic inspired by the stunning Acura Precision EV concept. The design features a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and a sharp, chiseled body. In the front, it's dominated by the new Diamond Pentagon grille, which is now a sealed, illuminated panel. It's flanked by ultra-thin, chicane LED headlights that give it an incredibly aggressive and futuristic stare. It's a huge departure and a clear signal that Acura is moving into a new, electric-first era of design. A new design means all new features. What new tech is Acura packing in? Inside, the RDX is a technological powerhouse. Acura has confirmed it will feature a massive, freestanding digital display running a new infotainment system with Google built in. This means Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store are all natively integrated, a huge leap forward. Furthermore, industry reports indicate it will be built on GM's Ultium EV platform, which means it will also get the Ultify software platform. This allows for extensive over-the-air updates, enabling Acura to add new features, apps, and even performance upgrades to the car long after you've bought it. All right, a futuristic EV with incredible tech is a game changer. But what about the price and that controversial betrayal? Sources suggest the all-new electric RDX will be fully revealed in early 2026, with a release date set for mid to late 2026. With this move upmarket, pricing is expected to start around $55,000 USD, positioning it directly against rivals like the Tesla Model Y and Cadillac Lyriq. The betrayal starts with the loss of the popular super-handling all-wheel drive system. It has been replaced by a new dual-motor electric powertrain. This new system offers instant and precise control of torque for each wheel. It uses an advanced form of torque vectoring that works faster and better than any mechanical system. While this marks the end of an era, it also signals a new level of performance. The 2026 Acura RDX is a bold change. It is a high-performance electric vehicle that embraces modern technology. Acura shows that they are ready to compete and succeed in the electric era. What do you think? Was it the right time to retire SH-AWD for an all-electric future? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for fueling your passion with Digital Auto Addict 99. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.